My name is Chef Letty, and I'm a baking industry expert who started this YouTube channel to help home bakers start, grow, and manage your home bakery business. Okay, so today's video is all about cookie packaging. And since the holidays are fast approaching, this video couldn't come at a better time. So let's dive in. Cookie packaging can vary in size, material, and cost. And I've done some extensive research for you and found 3 awesome options for you to consider. Option number 1, individual self-adhesive plastic bag. The inexpensive yet cute individual self-adhesive plastic bag measures 4 inches by 4 inches once it's sealed. This is a great option if you are just getting started or have a small budget for your supplies. Remember, keeping costs low is the first rule of success. The lower your costs are to produce and package your cookies, the more profit you will make. And for those of you that know me, you know I'm all about the numbers, baby. All about it. Knowing your numbers is the key to winning it at business, okay? So if you need help figuring out your numbers, make sure to click the link below to receive a copy of my fail-proof pricing formula. Okay, back to cookies, because we're not here to talk about pricing. Like I mentioned a bit ago, keeping your cost of goods low is a must. So these baggies are cute and super cost effective at just 4 cents each for 200 bags. Option number 2. Option number 2 is an individual white cardboard box, which measures 5 inches by 5 inches. This option is great if you want to elevate your cookie business. It screams, "Look at me! Look at me!" This cookie box is fancier than the bag option and costs slightly more. But if you've taken my branding course, Brand Like a Boss, you know that presentation drives price. So you can make more money and definitely charge more for your cookies if you package them nicer. This cookie box will run you 42 cents each. Last, but certainly not least, is option number 3, the pre-printed custom-made box. These boxes scream, "I've made it!" and I'm all in my cookie business. This option is for those who intend to make their cookie business a full-time gig or a long-term gig. I recommend these boxes in my subscription box course because they increase the perceived value of your brand, which can make your brand appear bigger and can fetch a lot more dollars for your goods. Custom-made boxes, when bought in low quantities, can be very expensive. But if you're committed to making your cookie business a long-term thing, you may want to invest in buying in bulk. Buying in bulk substantially brings the cost of each box down, but you will have to pay a lot more upfront. Here's a cost comparison to show you what I mean. If you buy 10 by 8 by 4 custom-made boxes, you'd pay a whopping $9.52 per box, which would make your total amount due at purchase $95.20. However, if you opted to buy 250 boxes, your cost per box drops dramatically. You'd be saving almost 50%. Isn't that crazy? So your boxes would now be costing you $4.49 per box, which sounds great, but you'd have to shell out a little over $100 or $1,100 for your 250 boxes, which isn't feasible unless you have mega cookie orders or you have built a successful subscription box business. Well, sweet fam, that's gonna be it for today. I'm keeping it short and simple. I promised you a freebie, and here it is. I've got an amazing vendor list, and since you stuck around, I'm going to give it to you as a thank you gift. So if you'd like a copy of my vendor list, please just type in the comments below, "Send me list." Thanks for checking out my channel. Ask Chef Letty. And remember to hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw today and you want more. This is Chef Letty reminding you to stay sweet and make that dough. When I mean dough, I mean money, people. Let's go out there and bake ourselves rich. Bye.